All right, everybody, welcome to Kilowatt Hour Only EV channel. So, if you own an EV9 and you have a center console and there's nowhere to put it, you just look at it. I have right here. Look at all this stuff that I have right here, and you can't organize all this stuff because he just made a big hole in here, and there's nowhere to put. I mean, yeah, they got a couple of cup holders and stuff, but if you want to arrange some stuff underneath here, there's nowhere to put that. But guess what? I have an organizer for that. Okay. And shout out to BestEVmod for sending me a review unit for this. So stay tuned for that. Okay. If this is your first time viewing this channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. So every time I post a new video, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So thank you to BestEVmod for this. So before I go ahead and do that, and also, if you're an EVSC manufacturer, sales personnel, or accessory personnel for electric vehicle and motorcycle, reach out to me, kilowatt hour only EV at gmail.com or kilowatt hour only e motorcycles at gmail.com. So reach out to me and I'll review your product. Okay. So let me go ahead and open up this box. So shout out to BestEVmod again for sending me this review unit. I do have this, and this is the BestEVmod for EV9 lower console holder, lower organizer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up this box and see what we got in here. All right, welcome back. So I don't need any box cutter, but I just have it beside me. So right now, here is what's inside the box. Here we are. Center console organizer for your 2024 Kia EV9. All the stuff that you need in here for I would say the rubber mats. So let me go ahead and put this together now. So you have an organizer, and you got a cup holder, and you got this. You can put your cell phone right here, lay it on the side, or something else that you can put here. And you got other side of the tray. So you got a whole lot of stuff right here that you can use to place your vehicle in. I mean, to place your items in there. You know, you don't have to just dump everything in there. So yeah, this is what you need for your center console. Very easy to put together as well. Nothing more than that. And if you want to get one of these, you can go to the BestEVmod Amazon store and get yourself one of these. And I'll post the link in the description. So let me go ahead and take the stuff out of my car and put this in there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these items right here. So we went on a road trip over the weekend and got some of this items that I just dumped in there. Got some tissues, napkins. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in here. Interesting. Got something here. Not a big deal. All right, so right now, so once I place this here, that means you will have at least two space to place stuff in it. See, very easy to put in. So that means you have two space now. So one at the bottom and one on the front. I can put my flashlight here or here, so that I won't be moving around, because sometimes I do hear that it'll be making all noise moving around. And I got this bracket right here. I can put that there as well if I don't need that, but I can put that at the bottom. So that's what I'm gonna do, so that when I need that, I can just pick it up. So you have more space to organize your items. So I got a lot of stuff, and that's it. Place an envelope right here. I just place it right here. Yep. and you organize. And I got these coupon items I can place on it at the bottom as well. So if you want to place your drink right here, I don't know, maybe probably kids drink, smaller kids drinks, you can place that in here because it's not as big as the one right here. So but yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. If you're interested in getting this, go ahead and get yourself one because you need an organizer for your center console. Because if not, all the stuff inside your center console will just be flying around everywhere. So let me know in the comment section, guys, about this accessory for the EV9. If you haven't get yourself one and you're thinking about it, get yourself one on Amazon before they're sold out. They sold out really quick. So just letting you guys know. All right, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. See you in another video. Stay safe. Stay blessed.